Fast draw folding knife deploys quickly and easily with one hand. Overall length 7.13, close length 4.17, blade length 2.99, weight 3.6 ounces. Tactile texturing on nylon handle. High carbon surgical stainless steel blade. Sturdy pocket clip keeps it close. Top reviews from the United States. Reliability for cheap. Bought this knife over a year ago and has been my daily carry. The blade came sharp and will stay sharp with good care. I have since sharpened it and I must say that it takes an edge as well as any knife as far as the quality of the steel is concerned. I clip this knife on my pocket and have yet to have it open in my pocket or have the clip itself fail or stretch out. The safety mechanism is easily opened with one hand and closed with one hand with the use of the leg. The most use this knife will see on a normal day is opening a shipping box or cutting the shrink wrap on a pallet. The half serration of the knife is especially useful for harder materials that may need more force or just the penetration of the teeth into the material. The combination blade in my opinion is much more useful for my purposes than that of the plain blade model that I have also had a chance to use. The spring mechanism has not showed any weakening or slow down for the amount of use that this knife has seen. I have opened and closed this knife thousands of times without failure from the spring or the locking mechanism. Still the same solid open that it had from day one. Overall, I would recommend this product to anyone that is looking for a solid knife that will continue to operate despite the amount of misuse or neglect.